into my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you are old subscribers, you guys are always welcome. I really appreciate your love, and then always tuning in. You guys are just best of all. So today we are currently in the Upper East region of Ghana, and specifically in Fumbisi. I am here to document food that we eat here in the Upper East region of Ghana. We have a lot of food we eat in the northern part of Ghana, and this is what I'm trying to bring to you guys, and I hope you guys will love this video. Share and also comment as well. So right now I come to make kokonte.
First of all, we put our water on fire, and if the water has boiled, has really boiled, then we proceed to then you add the kokonte, the amount of kokonte you want to prepare. That's what you are going to add. So you see here adding a lot of it. Yeah. But then you don't have to add plenty so that you won't find it difficult stirring it. And then she added salt. I asked her why she added salt. She said the salt makes it not to come together, meaning it doesn't have what we call police. Yes, so that's why she added the salt. So you keep stirring it till they all come together. You keep stirring it. She added another one because she was able to bring the other ones down, so there's still more space. That's why she added some. Tell me in your local language, how do you call kokonte? In the Upper East region of Ghana, they have a way of calling it, and I've even forgotten. But then most people here in Ghana, we call it face the wall. Let me know in your country, what do you call it? And I know that in Nigeria, because I am also part of Nigeria, so they call it amala. Yeah, I think it's this one, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me if that is it. So with face the wall, we have a lot of soup. We use it in eating. You can eat it with the granite soup, the okra soup, the palm nut soup. Yes, you can eat it with those one. And then they have their local other soup as well. They call it bra. You can also use it to eat. I'll be documenting that one very soon. So stay tuned, guys. You'll be knowing a lot of food that we eat here. So that in case you are relocating here, or you are visiting here, and you see the food, it won't be like your first time, but it's going to be your first time tasting it, but not the first time hearing of the name. This is where you have to start using your strength so that you won't get the police I was talking about. So you have to use your strength very well.
So right now it's hard. We have to pour water inside so that it will become soft. This is face the wall. How's everybody call it? Right now the face the wall is boiling, so we have to wait for it to boil very well, and then she'll come and stir it. So it is time to stir it together.
So our kokonte flour is made out of cassava. We dry the cassava very well. When it has become dried, then we pound it, and after pounding it, we send it to the grinding mill to grind it to make it powder form. That is how we get our kokonte flour. Very simple, right? Tell me in the comment section, what do you know about the Upper East region of Ghana? What at all do you know about them, about their local food, their places? Have you ever visited the Upper East region of Ghana before? And if yes, where exactly did you visited? Let me know in the comment section.
You guys shouldn't laugh at me. Right now, ice make clay. We are not used to using this one firewood, so the smoke is actually entering my eyes, and it seems as if I'm crying, but I'm not crying. It's just the smoke.
When it's like this, it means that it is ready. Now you could see how brown it is. It is ready for us to dish it out.
Into where saying 5 cities.
It's now my turn to come and show you my skill. Yes, the thing was very hot, guys. I nearly bent my hands. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share. Let me know in the comment section what other food do you want me to show you how they prepare. And also, all food here, they are nutritious, very very nice, and they help in strengthening the body. You could see how the people over here look like. They don't look old. They like their structure is perfect. So this is the kind of food that we eat here that makes us very, very healthy and very, very beautiful as well.